I love of the money, God. Pray for.
You will reach 1,000 subscriber.
What about 1,000?
Down they come now. 1,000 subscriber don't come now. All right. As you can see, I'm through ironing it. Okay. This is the right side. You know, I told you to fold it and leave a ½ inch. Okay, ½ inch here, ½ inch here. Okay, of which I did. And so now what you will do is you will stitch the end point of this. You stitch the end point of this and this. So what I need to do, look at how it is. I turned it to this side, then I came to this side. As you can see, this side, take this here. As you can see, this open part, make it lie, and then you stitch, double stitch. So take your scissors and you cut this excess part of it. You leave 1/4 of an inch. So from here to here is 1/4. You take it to the other side, with the left hand side, okay, this way, and you flip to this side, flip this other one to this side. Then this part, okay, this part, you also stitch it. Okay, you double stitch it. Make sure it's fitted and strong here. Okay, so you cut 1/4 of an inch. That is the allowance here. You leave 1/4 of an inch rather. That's the allowance. 1/4 of an inch. As you can see, it's beautiful. And so the next step is this. Now this pocket side, okay, if you notice that pocket side is a little bit open, and so we want to close it so that we'll pin it down to the pocket itself, and so you sew it across on top of the pocket itself, okay, so that it will not be flipping out when you put your hand in the pocket. It will not be coming out. All right, so that is the reason why we stitch it directly, okay, to the pocket. Okay, this is the next step. You know, we folded it this way. Sorry for that. We folded it this way. All we just need to do is, now you fold it this other side. You take it to the other side, the opposite side of how you folded it. Look at it. Okay, you take it and you bring it this way. Okay, this is the folded part. All you just need to do is this. All right, take this in, and then make sure it's in alignment with this. Okay, and then you stitch close to the close to the 1/4 of an inch that you gave as an allowance. So close to it. All right, and then you cut your excess. You go back this way, and make sure here is flat. Okay, here is flat. Here is flat. Okay, and then so same. Okay, just a little away from the 1/4. Okay, please. Fold it in. And so all we need to do now is you just cut the allowance, leaving a tiny allowance, okay, like 1/4 allowance or close to 1/4. Here you cut that away. Excess, just take the excess away, leaving 1/4 below, okay, or 1/4 of an inch. All right, having done that, so look at what I'll do. I'll put my hand, look at me, I'll put my hand here, and then I bring the pocket out. All right, as you can see, my pocket is out. Okay, my pocket is out. This is how it looks like. Okay, you can go to the iron and iron it before sewing it. Okay, all right, so I'll take it to the iron and iron it. All right, so I'm through ironing it. As you can see. All I just need to do now is I flip it to this side, and then I'll slant this. Okay, make a slant here, and then I'll top stitch it. The top stitching is to make the pocket to be firm. You know, sometimes some of us, our pockets, because of the way we handle them, you see holes in our pocket. Okay, so these top stitching helps, okay, to reduce holes in your pocket. So I top stitch it, and I get here, I top stitch here, and then I pin down, and I top stitch here. You can see I'm through top stitching. All right, now you can see it's beautiful. All right, and so all we just need to do, you can trim off this excess. All right, so here you flip this towards the side. Okay, flip it towards the side, flip this towards the side, and you sew. You top stitch here so that this will not be moving. This will not be moving anyhow. Okay, put it here and you top stitch. I said you top stitch it. What you need to do is you now top stitch this up. You take it here, turn it to this side, and then you top stitch this upper part. Okay, so you're beautiful. Okay, as you can see, beautiful back pocket. All right, this is how your back pocket look like. All right, if this video have been of help to you, please do not forget to share this video with others, like, drop your comment at the comment section, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye bye.